Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening the page or Drive file that contains the video. Use search filters or the player timeline to find the approximate start point and note timestamps so you don't guess. If the file is in Drive, check format and resolution quickly. MP4 and WebM are easiest to work with. Once done, decide whether you'll download the whole file first or capture a segment directly in browser using a tool. This choice shapes the next steps. Now you extract the exact segment by either downloading the source or capturing it with a recorder. If you download, open it in a lightweight editor and enter precise start and end times in seconds or frames. If you recorded, trim the capture to remove prep and filler. Make sure you export using compatible codec and settings. 264 and AAC work broadly, and choose 16:9 or the original aspect ratio to avoid cropping. While exporting, name the clip clearly so you can find it later. Finish by checking your clip for audio/video sync, visual artifacts, and correct duration. Quality problems often mean re-encoding at a higher bitrate or choosing a different codec. Once it looks right, compress if file size is an issue. Preserve clarity by adjusting bitrate rather than resolution when possible. Save the clip back to Drive or your cloud, add a descriptive file name and tags, and set sharing permissions so others can access it. If things go wrong, first check source integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.